Hey guys, welcome to our channel Code Vision. React versus Angular versus Vue. Which one to choose in 2025? So, let's get started. React, Angular or Vue? Which one should you choose in 2025? Which is best for beginners? Which one has the best job opportunities? Which one is trending this year? Let's break it down. 1. What is React? React is a JavaScript library developed by Meta Facebook. It is mainly used for building UI components. React uses a virtual DOM, making it fast and efficient. It follows a component-based architecture for reusability. It is the most popular front-end framework in 2025. 2. What is Angular? Angular is a TypeScript-based framework developed by Google. It is a full-fledged framework, unlike React, which is a library. Angular is used for large-scale enterprise applications. It follows the MVC, Model View Controller, architecture. It has built-in support for routing, forms, and state management. 3. What is Vue? Vue.js is a lightweight, progressive framework. It was created by Evan You in 2014. Vue is known for its simplicity and flexibility. It has a gentle learning curve, making it great for beginners. Vue offers reactivity and two-way data, binding like Angular but keeps things simpler. 4. Which one is the easiest to learn? Vue is the easiest. Vue. Beginner-friendly, simple syntax. React. Medium difficulty, requires knowledge of JavaScript ES6. Angular. Hardest due to TypeScript and complex structure. 5. Which one is best for job opportunities? React has the most job opportunities in 2025. React developers earn the highest salaries on average. Angular is in demand for enterprise applications. Vue is growing but has fewer job openings than React. 6. Which one is best for performance? React and Vue are faster due to the virtual DOM. Angular is heavier but performs better in large applications. Vue's reactivity system gives it an edge in performance. 7. Which one is best for large-scale apps? Angular is the best for large-scale enterprise applications. React is great for scalable apps like Facebook and Instagram. Vue is better for lightweight projects and startups. 8. Which one should you choose in 2025? If you're a beginner, choose Vue. If you want the most job opportunities, choose React. If you're building a large-scale app, choose Angular. Final verdict: React, most popular and high salary. Angular, best for large enterprises. Vue, best for beginners and startups. That's it, guys. Which framework do you prefer? Comment below. And please, guys, I'm a new YouTuber. Your support means a lot to me. I'll be posting daily content, so please like, share, and subscribe. Your encouragement keeps me going.